see if we can get anybody to honk. That'd be great. It's not very interesting footage, but it just really sucks. Nobody's honking. Sucks. I know I look retarded, but it's windy. You know, these are not ideal circumstances, period. I mean, in terms of society, in terms of what's going on with our society. You know what? Might as well just show up in the rain and stand here like some kind of weirdo. Because we live in clown world. And I'd fit right in. Don't I just fit right in? So, I hope I can get some people to honk. Well, we have some people who are not good sports, unfortunately. That's okay. It really explains a lot, though, how we could get into this situation. When, you know, I could go to all this effort and trouble to hold this sign, and I just don't know if, you know, I hope it's worthwhile. I just really want to make someone's day. I want somebody to see my Honkler the Clown and to just get a good grin, because that's what we can all use, is a good grin. And that's what Honkler the Clown is about, yeah, we got a honk, yeah boy. Yeah, we got a honk, woo, we got our first honk. That is so awesome, I'm happy. Oh, it just makes me so happy inside. See, I just made that person's day, so I can go to bed happy tonight knowing that I've done something. Productive, very productive today. This is actually kind of a nice informal survey as well, just to see how many people will. Oh, it's Honkler the Clown because we live in clown world. So, because we're being the ethnic cleansing of Canadians, English and French and Native, come on. We don't want to be ethnically swamped. It's true, it's true. I'm trying here, guys. Just trying to make a difference. Honk to end immigration. There's not much traffic here. It really sucks. The reason I'm out here with not much traffic is just because of the day, because we are today doing this film screening, and yeah, see if anybody takes an interest. Hopefully my rambling isn't too insufferable. Mostly just trying to pass the time. Kind of sucks. I'll just stand here. There's some traffic over here. Just can't wait until till this show gets underway and we can see what anyone might have to say. So. Maybe this is why our society is so screwed up. I mean, there has to have been at least 20 or more cars that have seen the sign. Oh well, if I'm just one person. Oh, it's just some kind of... There is no friggin' traffic here. Oh, this is not working. It should be pretty funny. Have people show up. Yeah. Diversity is so wonderful that I feel compelled to come out in the rain and, you know, celebrate. That's how wonderful it is. God, people are such faggots. Here I am standing in the street with a freaking sign in the rain and nobody honks. I had one honk. One honk. There's also no traffic, so it's sort of a lame... Maybe this is lame-brained. I don't know. I'm just at such a loss of what to do for my country. You know. People are just... oh, I thought that guy was Sieg Heiling. That sucks. I wish he was. There's no fucking traffic, you guys. There's no fucking traffic. God, I'm such a retard. But I don't care because I really don't have anything better to do other than, of course, look after my family and be home with my babies. It took tremendous effort for me to get out to do this, so it's not like it was on some kind of whim. I mean, it took preparation. I had to prepare the posters and come out to do this, so I don't know. I just don't know what to think. Is there nobody who knows who Honkler is? Oh well, I have all evening, so I'm really not in a rush. Any type of rush. So. I don't know, I might just have to switch up signs because this is not working very well.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I think I'll just, since there's not much traffic, I think I'll just move over here and put the sign down and hold up a different sign. Some nice art here on display. It's a pretty picture. Some pretty paintings. Pretty paintings. Hi there. Hi. I'll just be holding my signs out here. I'm not trying to cause any trouble. I'll be right here with my signs. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just here holding my signs. So I better switch my signs up here. That one was sort of a flop. See if I can get myself organized. Just gonna hold my signs up. The film should be starting, oh, not for quite a while, so quite a long time to spend looking at signs.